Okay, so you're playing Ratchet and Clank. Deadlock. You... How should I put this? Suck. Okay. You suck. Zonk. Why'd you do that? You should have done it yourself so your robots could do it.
What are you talking about? This is a lot more funner. Ah!
Funner? Is that even a word?
No.
You use a double superlative. I mean that makes, double whatever. But you can't say more funner or more better or anything like that. Say one or the other, and funner isn't a word, so you shouldn't say it at all. Edward, you suck. You're like wasting your time. Yeah, that information is something you needed to know because you suck at this game. Use your wrench.
No way.
Yeah. What? You do it yourself. You have to have everyone do things for you, huh?
Yeah, just about.
You're a evil kid. Lazy. Oops, I turned the camera around.
What did you do? You know, good for nothing.
Actually, I'm good for something because I'm recording something for you.
Sure.
Yeah, you can't deny it because that's what I'm doing right now. Yeah, you lose. Are you almost done with this? So I could like stop recording?
Is it like 4 yet?
That giant exploding drill
Nope.
was neat. Who would have thought the highly toxic drill fuel would leak out the back of the factory, endangering